Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Holden Captiva CX 7-seater. Stock reference number 4882. This shape runs from the 9th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine with the radiator grille, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light has some scratches, left tailgate 1 small dent, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.